First time leaving our little girl for 14 days. This is what trying to say bye to your friendship looks like. He's like, I don't care, y'all leaving.
Alright guys, so we're at the airport and we are on our way out of here. Alright guys, so we made it to the airport. We're on our way to Spain as we told you guys in the previous video. Now, we're trying to find where to check in. Oh God, we finally got through TSA. So, parking car, ticketing, TSA, now boarding. This is why I don't like the chicken like this, because it's soft.
Now it's time to eat.
We got ourselves some Panda Express.
What are you gonna do for 12 hours?
Watch movies, sleep, watch movie. It's Netflix and chill.
Oh my God!
44G. So we are boarding, finally. The fish is ready.
Hola.
Next stop in Spain, guys.
Right. I got in trouble. Are you
Think you ever not. So we've arrived. We're in Spain. What do you have to say for yourself?
Living at life. I just gained 9 hours in life.
Gain 9 hours. Get off the exit. All the families are waiting for their relatives, which is cool.
En la entrada ponen los precios. Sí, hay que preguntar a veces porque...
Hey guys, so we just finally made it. We're here in Madrid, Spain. We're actually in our Uber, making our way to the Airbnb, and we're excited.
Alright guys, we're currently trying to find our location. We're lost. We've been up and down this block how many times? About 3 times?
3 times.
Yeah, but I think we found it. Let go. I think it's this way.
Is it here?
We're on the 6th floor?
In the attic.
Rainwear. Yeah, that's how they dry their clothes. Look at that.
We just stepped out of our Airbnb before it gets dark, and right across from our Airbnb, they're having some kind of show or opera that we're heading to. The train station is right there. This is what it looks like out here. You cold, honey? Told you to bring your jacket. I want to go see. I'm gonna go on this side.
Unos bigotes así y mi señor marido que es peluquero por afición me dijo esta la pago con la navaja con el jabón.
I think they turn, no?
No cabal, me falta un cucharón de metal y una falda de tul que la lleve registrada.
Oh my god, it kind of does look like her.
Me faltaron 2 pendientes de acabaje superior y al final de tantas.
My babe's gonna try some chocolate turron.
Oh, hard.
Turron. We're super excited. We're about to spend Christmas in Spain. Look at this beautiful lighting. It's so festive.
Love it.
It's really putting me in the Christmas spirit.
Let's see what's going on right here.
in the Museo de Jamón, which is the Museum of Ham. You can choose any kind of ham that you want, or cheese for that matter. In the Spanish culture, I'm Puerto Rican, my grandma's from Spain, so I kind of grew up with this, like just eating ham and cheese. Ham and cheese and bread was like a big thing in our family. It still is. I'm in heaven. Abuelo, baila.
Hey. You're killing it.
So, Spain is big for tapas. So it's like, for like $1 something, you get like a ham and cheese sandwich with beer and salami. It's pretty Why are you so serious, man?
What?
That's one of my jams. We are currently in Puerto del Sol. Babe, say hi. Puerto del Sol is like a plaza that has like a big, beautiful Christmas tree. Alright guys, what's up? So it is the next day. This is day 2 in Madrid, and we just left our Airbnb and we're on our way to Temple of Debod. It's a pretty good spot to see the sunset, so that's where we're heading. We're gonna go see the sunset. This guy hanging from the Predator statue. Isn't that crazy? That's super cool. Alright guys, so real quick, this is Plaza del Oriente. Look at this, so beautiful. Look at the gardens, so pretty. Damn it, that's a nice pic. You looking fly. He's asleep. Oh. We just reached. We're about to see that beautiful sunset. I'm out of breath. I'm steps. Killing me.
So, we know we just started the day, but we kind of woke up late. Jet lag.
We were definitely. Well, we didn't sleep for like 3 days prior to
Yeah. So that's why it's already getting dark and we just started the day.
But don't worry, because Spain is all about that nightlife. What do you
To the
do?
bush. There you go. No, don't do it. Stop.
I thought you were gonna do it. You failed. We made it. We're about to watch this beautiful sunset. So people come here and have little picnics and enjoy the sunset. We're watching the sunset in Spain. We were just at Mirador de la Montaña del Príncipe Pío. That's where we saw the sunset. Now we're walking to the Temple of Debod. So, let's see. And this is Temple Debod. What are we trying there, babe?
These are peanuts with honey.
Looks good.
We just tried like
So they're
cashew,
freshly
sunflower.
made.
You can try anything you want, baby, because they're serious.
How much is for one?
So we're about to get some almonds, some cashews, and I'm gonna get sunflower seeds. We are now at the Plaza Mayor, which is a beautiful little plaza, and they have a Christmas market going on. I'm gonna show you guys what it is. We're so thankful and feeling blessed on how we're able to experience somewhat of like the Spanish culture, and we're here for Christmas. Look at this. Plaza Mayor was once the center of old Madrid, and now it's the heart of Madrid. Isn't that cool to know? So we're at Cervecería Eboli. Saludos de Madrid.
Hey.
De Florida.
I'm pressured into trying octopus.
You're gonna do it.
I'm not doing it.
You're gonna do it. You've tried alligator, you're trying octopus. But just try it. Just try it. I gotta see you. I don't see you. Not that bad. That's a not that bad face.
It's I won't try to get paid. Nobody see that.
We're in the Plaza Mayor, hanging out. We just had dinner, and we're currently in the middle of the plaza, where all the gypsy community, well, the Spanish gypsy community, are like dancing and just singing Christmas carols in Spanish. It's really cool stuff. Check it out. Just got to Chocolateria San Ginez to have some hot chocolate and churros. Let me show you what this looks like, guys. Practicing our gypsy moves. Vamos, los empieza. Gata sata, gata sata, gata sata. Vamos pa la casa el gato negro.
Keep going.
Me estoy cagando, me estoy cagando, me estoy cagando. Just kidding.
Don't put that in a video.
We're walking aimlessly through.
We're heading home.
We're supposed to go home,
You wanna
but
end it?
the GPS.
You wanna end the vlog or what?
When we get to
This
the
is the
place.
same spot. Just keep going straight.
So this,
No, look,
the
we can go
GPS
this way. The
doesn't
lights
lie.
are here. Mira. Those are the lights.
There you go.
the GPS does not lie.
Yes.
I'm dancing.
Do it again.
No, you guys are making fun of my
I'm not
dancing
making fun of you.
skills.
Both do it.
Sing the song though.
No. El gato negro, el gato negro.
Hey guys, day number 2 is ended. We're heading back to the house. It's been 2 full days. We're tired,
In
right?
Spain. Yeah, we're tired.
It's been
Amazing.
thumbs up all the way around. We're gonna end this video right here. So if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't
like it,
still
give it a thumbs up.
And you'll see us in the next video. We
Make
hope
sure
see
to
you.
subscribe to our channel. Show us some love.
Yeah.
Write some comments. If you guys want to see more, what do you guys like to see? If you guys been to Spain, where have you guys been? Any
Let
places
us
you guys
know.
recommend, please put them in the link, or not in the link,
Yeah.
in the comments.
How many days we got left here?
We still got about 10
8
days.
days. So we still got a lot more to show you guys. So
8 or 10.
stay tuned.
Two theaters near you.
This is us coming soon.
Yes.